Just finished editing the video that you're about to see, but I just wanted to leave a little disclaimer at the beginning of the video to say this is the way that I personally do it. I don't want to see any negative comments or anything saying that you're doing it wrong or anything like that. I've been doing it for 3 years the same way, so it doesn't bother me, but I wanted to make this video for you guys and for everyone to see that you just need to do it and not stress over the little things. Just make designs, put them online, and either they'll sell or they won't. And if they don't, replace it out, you know. But anyway, take a look at my account. Just know that this is motivation to get started and just get doing it. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I might do a Q&A later if there's more questions, if there's lots of questions, but I'm going to be making more videos and tutorials and stuff in the future. So anyway, I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions. Enjoy the video. What's going on, guys? I hope everyone is well. I just wanted to show you a quick look inside my 4K slot account. Basically, I do the most basic designs you can ever imagine, mainly text-based, nothing political, obviously, and all that sort of stuff. It's just super basic text designs. I do pop sockets, hoodies, long sleeve sweatshirts, and basic t-shirts. I don't worry about premium t-shirts. It's a t-shirt to me, so it's whatever. What else? These are my sales for the last 7 days. Basic, easy, $100. It's all organic. I don't advertise anything. I only spend about 3 minutes on every shirt that I upload, so to me, if I get $2 royalties forever on that shirt, then that's amazing for me. There's been times where I haven't touched my shirt account for 6 months, and I still continue making, 40 sales a week, just year round. So that's what I prefer to have than blowing up my account for a certain amount of time and just getting all these sales and then just not having anything at some other times, so I'd rather go for consistency. But yeah, so I'll just go into this analyze tab and I'll show you November. November was it was an okay month. Yeah, $300, 129 shirts sold, 2 returns, 1 in the UK. UK and Germany, I don't find much going on over there. So I upload to the UK, but I don't upload to Germany because of the translation thing. They want you to upload in German, so I prefer not to do that. But yeah, so some really basic things that I like to put on. Let me show you a design. This one here is a good design that is selling quite well at the moment. She believed she could, so she did. Super easy to do. It's just online, motivational woman's tee, and that sells quite a bit of the time. Not bad, Yeah, sells like 1 a month, and that's what I'm happy with, What else? I have cheer. That's a good one. Super basic again. It's even got 2 reviews. Look at that. See, I don't even look at the reviews. I don't look for copycats. I just do my thing, upload, and move on to the next one. I have cheer. That's another, 800,000 bestseller ranking. I don't check any of this kind of stuff. But yeah, that's just some of the basic. That's what I work with in my 4K account. Numbers is what I enjoy. I enjoy getting all my slots filled up. Yeah, I filled them up about 3 months ago, and now some of them are starting to dwindle off, the ones that have not sold, because with merch by Amazon, if they don't sell within, I think it's 120 days, something like that, the products, get taken offline, which fair enough, so that's fine. And some people choose to re-upload those products that have been taken off. I don't do that either. I just super chill, super easy. But yeah, if you got any questions, leave them down in the comments below. I'm going to do a whole bunch of tutorials on how I make t-shirts and how I find t-shirts, and I mean, yeah. So subscribe, turn on the little bell so you get notifications, but hopefully I'll be doing more merch by Amazon designs and videos. Alright, so peace, and I'll see you in the next video.